Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at a new feature called Live Activities for the v10 release, which is meant to enhance real-time user engagement. So let's dive in.
So, what is live activity? Live activity is effectively a feature that lets you see real time updates from the application, and it works whether the application is in lock screen, or if it is open you can also see it in the dynamic island on the top like shown here. This currently works on iPhone 14 Pro Plus and WatchOS Plus. You can see updates dynamically. Android is adding this capability in the upcoming release that is coming. So basically, by end of this year, we'll be able to add this feature to Android as well. Right now, it works on iOS, and it makes it very easy to catch the user attention than just sending traditional notifications. You could be sending message for something like a cab that you're picking up, or the workout that you're currently doing, or even the flight that you're waiting in the airport. If the gate changes, or you're watching a score for a particular game, you can see all of that right from the lock screen, without even opening your application. So when it comes to live activity types, there are a few types. So basically, you can have a leading, trailing type like shown here. You can have an expanded view that you see when you click it on the top here, or you can have a very minimalistic symbol like shown here as well. It also comes with the different sizes that you can specify and different modes. And of course, you can also view the activity itself in a watch that is connected, smartwatch that is connected with your phone as well. Now let's see a demo of how this actually looks. So here we are seeing the screen currently as to how it looks in a screen. So basically, and if you open it up, you see the dynamic island on the top. You can click that and see an expanded view of that, or just go back to the minimalistic view, and it gets updates in real time. So even if your screen is locked, say the car is now that you ordered is closer, it gets updated and it shows that it's just a minute away or something like that. So it is dynamic and quite engaging. Now we can run the same thing and see how a notification would look. So the earlier case we saw was more like very specific. You ordered a cab, it is coming, and it is a specific thing. But say it is you are having a flight, and everybody that is in the flight needs to be informed of a gate change. Currently, the airline just sends an email or makes announcement in the airport, but in addition to that, if somebody has the airline app, they could just notify it and inform it via a live activity, and everybody gets the gate change notification like shown here. So this makes it more easy to get informed of critical updates that need to capture the user's attention. And this also works here. We are showing the same thing working on an Apple Watch that is connected to the phone, and you can see different types of live activity that can be seen in this as well. So hope that gives you a sense of what is doable, and how we can build more engaging applications for our end users. Now, when it comes to live activity itself, we have gone above and beyond what is available out of the box from the iOS SDK, so to speak. We have made it very easy that you can deploy this with no code changes required. You can build UI and configure it within the IntelliSense in the IDE. You can add API specific user attributes as well. The user data is protected, and it also makes it very easy to extend the configuration or automatically generate the widget bundle as well. So with these enhancements, we hope it is very easy for our developers to build live activity as one of the features that they are creating in the application for the end user.
For more details, you can check out the Voltamex v10 release blog, the official documentation for this, along with training modules and additional resources, either via the QR codes on the screen or links in the description. Thank you for watching.